Hello, hello, and welcome to So Inspired Designs. I'm Susan, your host. Today we have just a basic sliding glass door window. It's very big and wonderful and beautiful, and I just want to add a little bit of decor to it since we are in the winter months. So I've taken this fabulous transfer that I have here that says Warm Winter Wishes, and I'm actually just going to place it on an angle so I don't have to worry about whether it's straight or not. And I am doing that about eye level for me. It's a little bit over my eye level. So I have fuzzed that. My window's clean. I made sure it was ready to be prepared for the chalk paste. I have a squeegee and I have chosen the color Glacier for our design today. So I am just going to take the squeegee, take the chalk paste. This is just wet chalk. It will dry hard to the touch and will stay here until I want to take it off again. I do have a video posted on my page if you need to know how to remove chalk paste from glass. So I'm just going to take and add it. It's not going to be anything really. I chose a very light, icy, what I consider winter color. I'm reading the word warm, sorry. And obviously it's called Glacier. So it's very icy color. It's not going to be like really bold design because I have chosen this color, but I could do this in any color. If I really wanted it to stand out so that when you came in, you could see this and read it right off the bat, then obviously I would choose a darker color or a color with more pigment. So I am just applying my chalk paste directly to the silk screen area. That's the area you can see through. There's silk screen there. So that's how we can get some of these little dimensional looks or some of the details that you would not be able to get from other, other things that you could use like a stencil or something like that, or weeding. These are nice little touches that you can get with the silk screen that you can't get with other. So I'm just trying to make sure that I have everything covered. And this is a shimmer color. As you can see, it's so pretty. It's got shimmer built into it, which is what I love. And I just feel like represents winter. So I'm pulling off any extra. Doesn't take a lot. I know it seems like I'm using a lot, but I really am not. I'm just putting it through the silk screen and then pulling off any extra chalk paste that I don't need to get into the area that I'm chalking. And with the shimmer, you do press a little firmer just because it's got whatever element they put in here to make it that fabulous shimmer. It feels a little gritty when you're putting it on. But I don't want to obscure my view, so that's why I haven't put curtains up. I don't have a window film on here. All these things I have entertained the idea of, but have decided against because I love the view that I have out back here. All right, once I have finished applying all my chalk paste, I will then do the fabulous peel and reveal. If I can get a hold of it here, I'm just going to pull my transfer down. And I try to pull from the middle, and hopefully, I think with the glare, it's hard for you to see, so I'll put it up close. Remember, there are little elements in here of some, I can see it now, some little accents and stuff like that they've put in the word winter, so that's what you're seeing. And then we just pull that off. I will take this to the sink, and I will wash it with cool water. Let me bring you guys up closer. And I will also take a picture. But now that's all we needed to do. Sorry, I know there's a lot of other things in the background to see. That's all we needed to do. And it's really going to show up well at night as well. So simple as that. And I can, I got a little extra here. I can change this out whenever I'm ready. And I'm actually going to do a design on the other side too. So stay tuned. I will put that at the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed this idea, and I'll see you guys next time.